The fast and efficient production of waterfall collections starts by laying off fabrics directly from rolls in sequence of colors. The gross cut is completed with a straight knife cutter. Then the fabrics are reduced to large strips with the semi-automatic pinker. Processing continues on the waterfall sample mounting machine. The sample cutting and pinking machine again is used to reduce the full width waterfall collection to the desired width of single collections. The big feeler sample is precisely zigzag folded to the width of the cap. A special fabric drilling machine is used to make the holes so that the collection can be fixed into a hanger cap together with the big feeler sample.